In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create and share collaborative boards on Pinterest. This is a fantastic way to gather ideas, inspirations, and visual bookmarks that you want to share with friends, colleagues, or collaborators. Whether you're planning an event, redecorating your home, or simply curating content with others, this process will make your Pinterest experience seamless and interactive. To start off, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Pinterest. If you're not familiar with Pinterest, it's a popular platform that allows users to discover and save creative ideas. Once you're there, navigate directly to your profile. You'll find your profile at the top corner of Pinterest once you're logged in. Click on your profile picture and you'll be taken to a space that showcases all your saved pins and boards. Now what we want to focus on is your boards. Click on the Boards section to view all the collections you've created. Boards are essentially categorized collections of pins. For example, you might have categories like home decor inspiration, recipes to try, or travel dreams. These boards help you organize your pins in a way that makes sense to you. Once you're in the Boards section, choose the board you'd like to share or collaborate on by simply clicking on it. The next step is where the magic happens. Look for the icon that features a person with a plus sign. This is typically found near the top of your selected board. By clicking this icon, you're preparing the board for collaboration. You'll then have two options. Either you can invite collaborators by entering their email addresses, or you can simply generate a shareable link that you can send to them. This is highly convenient if you are looking to gather input from multiple contributors with just one click. If you choose the email option, enter the emails of those you want to join you on this board, making sure to double check for any typos. Once they accept your invitation, they'll be able to view and contribute to the board. Alternatively, copying the link will allow you to share it through any messaging service, be it email, chat, or social media. This flexibility can be incredibly helpful in getting your collaborative project off the ground quickly. Once you've completed these steps, that's it. Those you've invited can now start adding their own pins, comments, and suggestions to the board. Remember, collaboration is key. And this feature is a great way to bring together diverse ideas and perspectives in one place. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of creating and sharing a collaborative board on Pinterest. Enjoy discovering new ideas and inspirations with your team or friends, and make the most of this creative tool. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!